This presentation outlines a robust security framework for containerized applications, covering both static analysis and runtime security. We'll explore how these phases work together to provide comprehensive protection throughout the application lifecycle, from development to deployment, and beyond. Static security analysis involves pre-deployment safeguards such as image scanning for vulnerabilities, assessing the severity of discovered vulnerabilities, and detecting sensitive information. These steps are crucial to ensure that container images are secure before they are deployed. Ensuring compliance with organizational or regulatory policies and verifying the use of secure and trusted base images are key components of static security analysis. This step is essential for establishing a secure foundation for containerized applications. Runtime security focuses on real-time protection by continuously monitoring running containers for vulnerabilities, using behavioral analytics to detect unusual patterns, and tracking network traffic to identify suspicious communication. These measures help in identifying and mitigating potential threats during runtime. Managing resources and privileges during runtime is critical. This involves monitoring CPU, memory, and disk usage to detect abnormal spikes and identifying containers running with excessive privileges. These practices help in preventing resource misuse and privilege escalation attacks. Integrating static and runtime security ensures a holistic approach to container security. The output from static analysis informs runtime security configurations, and a continuous feedback loop helps in refining security measures throughout the application lifecycle. The comprehensive container security lifecycle includes the source and build phase, deploy and test phase, and runtime phase. Each phase focuses on different aspects of security, ensuring robust protection from the initial build to continuous monitoring during runtime. In summary, the framework provides end-to-end security for containerized applications, integrating static and runtime security phases for seamless protection. Continuous improvement through feedback loops enhances the overall security measures, ensuring robust and adaptive security throughout the application lifecycle.